Hi everyone, so this question is question number 62 from NetJRF December 2018 and question is from real analysis. So let's start with the question. So we have question number 62 and S is an infinite set. S is any infinite set. Then we have to identify which of following statement is correct statement. So first option, if there exists injective function from S to N, that is say f from S to N, which is 1 function, implies that S is countable. So by definition of a 1 function, we have already discussed that if f is a function from A to B, which is 1 function, then cardinality of A less than or equal to cardinality of B. So this implies cardinality of S must be lesser or equal to cardinality of N, and cardinality of N is basically alif naught. So your first option definitely correct option. Now second option is, if there exists a function which is from S to N and this is surjective, that is onto function, implies S is countable. So now if there is onto function from S to N, so number of element in S greater than or equal to number of element in N. Now N is countable set does not implies the larger set is countable. So we can take S as a real line, or we can define F from R to N such that F of x is equal to x whenever x belongs to natural number, or 1 whenever x does not belongs to natural number. So definitely this function is onto function, but S is not countable set. So your second option definitely false option. Now come to third option. Third option is, if there exists f which is from N to S and this function is 1, implies S is countable. So again, if N to S there is 1 function, so cardinality of N lesser or equal to cardinality of S. So smaller set is countable does not imply larger set is countable. We can take a simple as again real line, or f we can define from N to R such that f of N is equal to N. This is a 1 function, hence but S is not a countable set. So your C option again false option. Next D option, if there is onto function, so there exists f which is from N to S and this must be onto function. So this implies S is countable. Now if there is onto function from N to S, so cardinality of N must be greater than or equal to cardinality of S. N is countable, so obviously S must be a countable set. So your final answer must be A and D answer.